I've got going on now is I actually took the gas off of the unit, took it over to the welding shop or gas place, and I was going to exchange the bottle, and I went ahead and had them check it to just to double check and see how much, if there's any gas left in it. I was showing real low on my gauge, but you know, I'm not an expert welder. Obviously, I'm an amateur at best, so it was worth asking. And the guy checked it, and it turns out I still have half a bottle left of gas. And so what the guy asked me was what I was running my settings at. And I've been running my settings at around 40, which, according to the guy, he told me that was way too high, that it should be 25-30 psi on running the shielding gas. So maybe what I'm having happen on my welds is that it's over-gassing it, so it's like blowing my weld out. And so I'm gonna lower my gas settings down to 25-30 and see how my welds look after that. So I also put a brand new tip on it, a tip on the inside as well. And so there's no excuses. So let's check out how the welds are going to look now. So now we are getting rid of this cheapy Harbor Freight, and we are stepping up to an actual real sandblaster. Let's get to work on sandblasting the rest of these panels so we can finish up this bodywork. Sand, 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 sand. Well, we're getting there. Lots of sanding. But we're starting to get some straight lines. Looks like we're out of time this week, but we made some headway on these light buckets, got everything stripped down. Fenders are getting real close. As far as the rear hatch, we are getting to the final stages of getting ready to put some epoxy on these parts. My next step is to get the shop cleaned up and get this spray booth ready so we can move on to the next step. Appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.